So in this video, we are going to learn how to add images from Facebook page posts to Google business profile. Let's say on a Facebook page, you keep on posting new images and you want to add the same images on your Google business profile as well. So let me tell you, you can automate this process. And in this automation, whenever you are going to post a new image on your Facebook page, the same image will be posted on your Google business profile as well. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. Now, as I share a new image on my Facebook page as a post, I want to add that same image to my Google business profile as well. Now, to do this, we have to connect our Facebook page with our Google business profile. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. Now, after coming to Pabbly Connect's dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. So for that, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. I'll name it as Facebook Pages to Google Business Profile. And then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create the workflow and click on Create. And now you can see the workflow is open over here. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first, we are going to connect our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we post a new image on our Facebook profile, automatically the details of that new post will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to add that same image to our Google business profile as well. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose App, search for Facebook Pages and select it. After selecting Facebook Pages, in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select New Post. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Facebook Pages button. Then just select your Facebook account, click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, we will see because we have logged into a Facebook account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and our Facebook account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the Facebook page. And here in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the pages which we have created in my Facebook account can be seen over here. Now, out of all of this, new post from which particular Facebook page we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect, from which particular Facebook page we want to get the new images and add them to our Google business profile. So I have this Facebook page called as Stitching and Embroidery Business. I want that whenever an image is posted on this page, automatically this image should be added to my Google business profile. So here what we are going to do, from this drop down, we are going to search for the same page. We are going to search for Stitching and Embroidery Business, and from the drop down, select the Facebook page from which you want to get the new image post. After selecting a Facebook page, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it has now changed to Waiting for Webhook Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response, some details of a new post from our Facebook page over here. So let's do it. On my Facebook account, on my Facebook page, I'm going to post a new image. So let's go to Post button. Let me add an image over here. Let's upload this image. And then I'm going to add a caption as, for example, new collection is available at our store. New collection is available at our store. This is the caption I'm adding and this is the picture which I'm going to post. And then let's post this image on our Facebook page. So we are just posting it and we will see, because we have connected our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect, here you can see as we post this image with the caption on our Facebook page, automatically the same image and caption details will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see within seconds, we have received some response. And in this response, you will see the details of the exact same post. Here you can see the name of the person that who has shared this post. Then after that, here you can see the link. And in this link, we have the link of the same image which we have posted just now. We'll just open this link in a new tab and you can see the same image. Then we'll scroll down. Here you can see the message. In message, we have the caption of the same image which we have added. So here you can see this is the caption, new collection is available at our store. And same caption is received inside Pabbly Connect. Then after that, we will scroll down and here you can see rest one item, that what item is created. Is it a status, a video, a photo or image? Here you can see in rest one item, we have photo over here. Then we'll scroll down. In rest one verb, we have added that whether a photo is added, is it updated or is it removed? What is happening? So a photo is added on our Facebook page, you can see. And it is not just saved in draft, it is published. So if we get published, rest one published as one, this means the photo is successfully posted on our Facebook page. So here you can see the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. And now whenever a new post will be shared on our Facebook page, automatically the details of that post will be received inside Pabbly Connect. Now after this, what we want to do, we just want to add the images posted by our own account, our own page on our Facebook page over here. And also we want the images, only the images which we are posting on our Facebook page, we only want to add those images on our Google business profile. So here in this trigger step, you can see there is an important note. Let's read it, which says to get the data only related to this trigger, use the next action as a filter step and configure the following field to filter. Filter based on verb equals to add, published equals to 1 and item is equals to status, photo or video. So here what it is saying, we have to set up a filter condition. Using this particular trigger, we are going to get the details of multiple activities related to a post on our Facebook page. Whenever a new post is shared, in post, whether you have shared a status, an image or a video, we will get the details of everything. And whether they are updated, removed or a new image or video is added, we will get the response. We will get the details of all of those events inside Pabbly Connect. But we want to set up the automation in such a way that only when an image is posted, when an image is added or published in our Facebook page, we want to only get that image and add that image in our Google business profile. For that, we have to add this kind of filter condition. And to add the filter condition, we will just scroll down, come to this action step and here in choose app, select filter over here. After selecting filter by Pabbly, in action event from the drop down, select filter values and then just click on connect. After clicking on connect, the next thing it asks us is to select the label, that on which particular label, on which particular response from Facebook pages we want to add the filter. So we have to add the filter on 3 different conditions. First one is verb, second one is published and third one is item. And here you can see in response, we have received all the 3 details. We have received rest1 item as photo, so item should be equals to photo. We have received rest1 verb as added. Now we want a new photo is added, we won't get that data. When the photo is removed from our Facebook page, we don't want to add that removed photo on our Google My Business profile. So we are going to select verb as added and published as one as mentioned over here in important note. So one by one, we are going to select all the label. So here in select label in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses of a new post which we have received from Facebook page in the trigger step. Out of all of these responses, select this rest1 item, filter type will be equals to and the value will be photo. Then after that, click on this plus button of add and condition. And after that, we are going to select another label. This time the label will be rest1 verb. The filter type will be equals to and value will be add. Then once again, click on this plus button and we are going to add another and condition. This time from the drop down, the filter will be rest1 published and it will be equals to 1. So if all of these conditions are fulfilled, if we get rest1 item as photo, rest1 verb as add and rest1 published as 1, only in that case, that particular image will be added in our Google business profile. So this is the exact same filter condition which was mentioned in the important note of this Facebook pages trigger. After setting up this filter condition, just click on this save and send test request button. And when we click on save and send test request, it is showing us that the condition is true. So this means whenever a new photo is published in our Facebook page, only in that case, we are going to add that photo on our Google business profile. Now after adding this filter condition, let's move to the last step where we are going to add the image in Google Business Profile. Click on this Add Action Step button over here, and then here in Choose App, search for Google Business Profile. Just search for it and select it. After selecting Google Business Profile in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Call to Action Post. Now here in creating post, while adding an image to Google My Business or Google Business Profile, we have three options. Create Call to Action Post, Create Event Post, and Create Offer. So what kind of post you want to create? I want to create a Call to Action post, so I'm selecting it. Then after that, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Then after that, select your Google My Business Profile account, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, you will see your Google Business Profile will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the account name. So what is the name of your Google Business Profile account? You have to select that. Right now, I have only one Google Business Profile on my account that is named as Parampara, so I have selected it. Then after that, it is most likely possible that in your Google Business Profile, you might have businesses at multiple locations. And for each location, you have created a different profile. So in the next field, it is asking us location name. Right now in my business, I have only one location. That's why in the drop down, you can see only one location over here. Then after that, it is asking us for the summary. That what is the summary? What will be the caption of the new image which we are adding in Google Business Profile? Now here in summary, we want to add the caption of the image which we have posted on our Facebook page. So here in trigger response, you can see we have received the caption of this image as well. So what we are going to do, we are going to map this response of message of caption which we have received from Facebook page, and we are going to map it in this Google Business Profile action. The process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of summary, and from the drop down from Facebook pages responses of trigger, select and map the response of message. Then after mapping the caption, mapping the message over here in summary, it is asking us topic type. So in the drop down, we have only one option, that is standard. So we are going to select that. Then after that, because we have selected the action as call to action post over here, that's why it is asking us action type. And in the drop down, we have multiple options: book, call, learn more, order, sign up, or shop. So you can select any call to action according to your choice. Let's say for this video, I'm selecting the call to action type as call. I want to receive calls from this post. So a call button will be added in front of each image over here. Then if you're selecting any action type other than call, in that case, you have the option to add the URL as well. Let's say if you select order or sign up as the call to action, then you have the option to add the URL of or the link on which you want to redirect the person. So right now, because we have selected the call to action as call, that's why we are not supposed to add any URL. But if it is anything else than call, then you can add the URL as well. Then it is asking us for the language code. So we are going to enter the language code as EN, which is the language code for English. So all of my posts will be in English. That's why I have added English as the language code, EN. Then it is asking us media format, that whether we are adding some kind of media or not. So from the drop down, you can see we have two options, none or photo. We can only post photos. So I'm going to select the media format as photo, and then it is asking us media resource URL. And here in media resource URL, from Facebook pages responses from trigger step, we are going to map the response of the link of the image which we have posted, which we have received in trigger response. And after mapping this and selecting all the options, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you will see we will receive some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the same image which we have mapped over here, basically the image which we have shared on our Facebook page, the same image with the same caption is now added on our Google Business Profile. So let's check it. We'll go to our Google Business Profile and we'll just refresh it once. Now we'll just scroll down, and yes, here you can see the exact same image which we have added on our Facebook page. The same image with the same caption is added in our Google Business Profile. And we also have this call to action button of call now. We have selected the call to action type as call, and we have this call to action button in front of it as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created over here, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to post an image on our Facebook page, automatically the same image will be shared or will be added in our Google business profile as well. Now, after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. For that, I'll go to my Facebook page and we are going to create another post. We are going to add another photo over here. So I'll just select the image over here and the image I'm going to post is this. Then I'll add a caption as, for example, we are testing this automation. So I have added this caption too. Now let's click on post. Now as I click on post, this new image is posted on my Facebook page. And we will see as this new image is posted on my Facebook page, automatically within seconds, the same image with the same caption will be added in my Google business profile too. So we'll go to a Google business profile. We will just refresh this page once. And yes, here you can see just now the exact same image which we have posted on Facebook page. The same image is automatically added in our Google business profile. And here you can see the same caption and same call to action button as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.